Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in ChatGPT using your iPhone. It's very simple. Just go to any browser in your iPhone. Just in this case, I'll be using Safari. So just click that. And in the address bar, just click it and type ChatGPT. As you can see, it's already here. So just click this and it will take you to the ChatGPT website. And if you can see, there's a button here that says try ChatGPT. This is the login button. Just click it. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up, but if you already have, you can log in. So just press log in, and the easiest way to log in is to use Google. Everybody has a Google account or Gmail, right? Just click here, continue with Google, and you can use whatever Google account you have in your phone and just click it, and it will use that Google account for your ChatGPT. Next, it will say the things that the ChatGPT can do and what it is. So just click done and you're ready to go. There's a blank space here where you can ask it whatever prompt you want or whatever use you want. Okay, so I hope that is very clear, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.